drumming up funky ass shit nearly every single day. And can I kick a little something for the G's and make a few friends as I breeze through? Don't you know it's 2 in the morning and our party's still jumping? Cause my mama ain't home. I got the bitches in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do, ho? I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. Turn off the lights and close the doors, but what? We don't love them whores, and we gonna smoke in house to that. Jesus holds down like you motherfuckers bounce to that. And I'll be rolling down the street, smoking in ho, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking in ho, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind, y'all. I got me some Seagram's gin. Everybody got their cup, but they ain't chipped in. You know, this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours before I get mine. Everything is fine, we listening to the D.O.G. He's got that cultivating music that be captivating me. But who hears the words I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street? I started mapping with this bitch named Sadie. You know she used to be the homeboy's lady. Don't you know it's 80 degrees when I tell that bitch please raise up all these NUTs, but you get none of these at ease. As I'm off with the dog pound full of breeze, and I'll be rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Country music singers have always been a real close family, but lately some of my kinfolks have disowned a few others than me. I guess it's because I kind of changed my direction. Lord, I guess I went and broke their family tradition. They get on me, want to know, Hank, why do you drink? Hank, why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out the songs that you wrote? Over and over, everybody If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I don't wanna go. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I just as soon stay home. I was one of the chosen few to be born in Alabama. I'm just like my daddy's son, I'm proud of who I am. I went through a lot of good women, shook old Jim Beam's hand. If I never see the pearly gates, I will walk through the promised land. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I don't wanna go. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I just as soon stay home. If they don't have a Grand Ole Opry like they do in Tennessee, just send me to hell or New York City, it would be about the same to me. I got wild honey trees and crazy little weeds growing around my shack. These dusty roads ain't streets of gold, but I'm happy right where I'm at. All these pretty little southern belles are a country boy's dream. They ain't got wings or halos, but they sure look good to me. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I don't wanna go. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I just as soon stay home. If they don't have a Grand Ole Opry like they do down in Tennessee, just send me to hell or New York City, it would be about the same to me. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I don't wanna go. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I just as soon stay home. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I don't wanna go. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I just as soon stay home. If they ain't got a Grand Ole Opry like they do in Tennessee, just send